I know it's late, but I got it, finally. I got it a little bit later than other YouTubers, but here we go. A second iPhone SE2 unboxing that you've probably seen, or a lot of other ones. If this is your first one, dang, you've been waiting a long time. And thank you for watching. But let's do it. Well, hey guys, Jalen Critty here, and welcome back to another video. So today I have the iPhone SE2, and I'm going to unbox it. I'm sorry I got this late, but thank you guys for watching anyways. Let's get this seal off. Try and do this one-handed. These boxes are way easier to open than the iPod box, but... well, I take that back. The iPod box was easier to open, but the iPhone box you could open with one hand. Cutting with one hand's hard. Okay, anyways, I think I got it. Yep. Well, iPhone SE. Let's lift it. Designed by Apple in California. And there's the phone. Dang, you don't know how excited I am. Look at it. White, color, and everything. Now, this is the unboxing. So, I'm going to try and lift it up because I heard people like this sound. So, I got the sound, and there's the phone in pristine condition. You know, power brick and ear pods. Lightning connector. Now, I will not take any of these out because I am going to return the phone. I am. So, yeah, now let's go set it up. Let's see if it's charged. There it is, the Apple logo. And there's the Touch ID home button and everything. Hello. And I'm actually going to go put my SIM card in here now. So, first impressions of the iPhone SE. Well, let's just say it feels very similar and not similar to my iPod. So, my iPod I only used for music and maybe sometimes a video or two. This is a full-blown phone. And let me tell you one thing. If you get used to an iPhone 10, then you shouldn't go back. I don't hate this by any means. I don't actually hate the iPhone SE2. I think it's a fine device, but, well, let's just say Touch ID is a little hard to get used to. I mean, the phone unlocks fine. I know how to do that. That's fast. But it's when it comes to entering passwords and apps and that stuff where it kind of gets a little annoying. It's not super annoying. Of course, it's fine. If you use Touch ID, this would be a perfect device for you. But yeah. Other than that, this phone is pretty much the phone. Of course, I don't care about the bezels. I only care about the biometrics. And also, it has one thing the phone, my iPhone XR, doesn't have, the new camera app. So, the new camera app allows you to take click take and burst that way. And it also has front-facing portrait mode of all 6 effects, even though it doesn't have the true depth camera. That's the A13's work. So the camera is better than the iPhone XR. However, it's only slightly better, and I don't use portrait mode that much anyways. But yeah, it's a pretty good phone. Definitely a good device, and this is going to be a cool 7 days. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Goodbye.